Everything that's in your stocking here, sweetie.
I need to go to the bathroom.
All right, let's go to the bathroom. You want to just put it in that bag?
I don't want to put it back in my. I like superheroes.
A pink lollipop?
Yeah. Oh, a shiny case. Another shiny case.
Yeah.
There's a Jesse car.
Wow.
Jesse is Smith.
I see something over there, Sambo.
Where?
Over in the living room.
Let him go pee-pee. Go
Let's go
pee-pee.
pee-pee first.
Go pee-pee real quick. No.
Oh, Big Max!
Go pee-pee.
No.
Go pee-pee. Look, Elizabeth. Look what you got. A lollipop. What else is in there?
And then Mommy.
You don't know? Well, why don't you look? Poppy Kitty. What else?
I know.
Did you get a toothbrush? You got a Poppy Kitty toothbrush. Look, right here. Right there.
A
Wow.
pancake.
Chocolate. There's kisses inside a candy cane. Here comes Santa. What did you get? Whoa! Whoa! You got a bike! What kind of bike is that? That bike is awesome, Daddy. Look at that bike.
Wow, look at the bike that Sambo got. What's that? What? Who's that? All right.
Whoa.
What is that, sweetheart?
Look at the roller coaster y'all got. Elizabeth, look at the roller coaster you got. Right here
Right
with the
there.
yellow car. Just like the one at Annie and Blake's house. And her umbrella? Not in the house, not in the house. Let's just look at it.
You can go on it one time in the house.
He's
Let
gonna...
Elizabeth go first.
Okay, you go first, and then me. You open more side.
Yeah.
Where's
What do you think of your bike, bud?
where's the big Wreck-It Ralph?
Well, I don't know if Santa had room in his
He might not have had room in his bag for Wreck-It Ralph.
I got my lollipop, Daddy.
Wow, look at that.
Pink lollipop.
Pink lollipop.
Look at this, Daddy.
It's Elizabeth's name.
Your name is it's your name is it's your name. See? Cars. Okay, look.
That's awesome.
Look, Daddy, cars.
Wow, look at that,
And
bud.
there's Buzz and Jessie.
Woody and Buzz and Jessie.
But I sure have that Woody.
You have that Woody, don't you?
I don't have that Buzz.
Oh, you did.
Elizabeth, what are you riding on?
On my car. On my car, Mommy. Uh-oh. Can I open my presents?
Let's look in your stocking.
Yeah, there's more in your stocking. Go see.
Okay. Oh, there's a taxi car. Where is it?
Well, maybe there's some inside your stocking for you.
Mommy, look at this.
Whoa!
Batman, Superman.
Look at that placemat
Where's the placemat?
right there behind your stocking.
Oh,
A superhero placemat with your name.
Look at you, princess. Elizabeth, did you see your umbrella over there?
Daddy,
Ladybug umbrella?
Daddy.